Right, end of day, end of week. What have we achieved? Well, quite a lot actually. We've got a floor, we've got a shower base. We've now got some tiling. And yes, hexagons. Lots and lots of hexagons. I wasn't sure about these tiles when I first saw them, but they're growing on me. I think they're quite good. They are actually all the same colour, exactly the same colour. It's just tricks of lighting. But there's lots and lots of cuts, and that's what's taken the time. So yeah, there we go. And a couple of little holes as well. Oh, well, that didn't take so long. So come Monday, Monday is a bank holiday. Tuesday, I'll be carrying on with this. There's a car reversing behind me, and yeah, get that done. See if we can get that finished off. That'd be nice. And then we can grout it. So what I've done at the bottom is saw where I'd pushed the butyl strip underneath the cut edge of the plasterboard. I'm packing that with tile adhesive. It'll still allow the walls to flex, but the tiles have got something solid to sit on. And when that's done, I'm making sure that there's like a 3mm gap, give or take, at the bottom, so that I can put a flush silicone seal flush to that surface on first, once I've grouted above it, and then the final seal will be a fillet, a sort of diagonal seal. That final seal will fail at some time because of moisture, but it will be easy to remove, and then the one inside under the tiles will still be there. So so there we go. Yeah, it's been a tiring day actually, but hopefully nobody gets to see this angle from the bottom of the shower, otherwise well, they've probably had one too many shandies or creme de menthe frappes. So anyway, there we go. Have a nice weekend and sunny bank holiday, and hopefully we will have another go at it on Tuesday.